Hey, I'm Aaron with SimpleTix.com. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use SimpleTix for a multiple session type of event at a trade show or conference. So here we have a paid classes that are related to beauty competitions and that whole industry. They're on multiple dates and different times. And we're going to show you the different ways that you can do the ticketing for it. Now we'll explore the festival view, the weekly view, and something called the class pack, which actually will be a bad example, but the first two examples will be fantastic, the festival view and the weekly view. All right, let's dive in. Okay, first we'll explore the festival view. So here is basically the festival view. It's all the event details and an event picture. I'll click on Get Tickets here. And here you can see all of the different event types and ticket types on one screen. There's no extra clicks, pretty much one screen shows them all. And if you notice, they're all in order of date. So the very first one is at noon on the 28th of August. And if you want to get tickets for this particular class, you can totally grab one or two tickets for it. And it's flexible for if you want to get one ticket for one event and two tickets for another event, you have that flexibility. And if you didn't want to get tickets for another event, you can totally skip it. So this is really nice because you have one screen, one page with all the different tickets types on it. And you can click checkout and buy multiple tickets in one order. All right, so that is the festival view. Let's take a look right now at the weekly view. Okay, so the page looks almost the same here. This is your event details page. But when you click Get Tickets Now, we'll basically collapse all of the individual dates and times like this here. And if you wanted to look at specific sessions or classes within it, actually there's ticket types, within a time, you can select it. So kind of go through here, one called the wig business. I can go in here and I can select one class here. One is called Brunch of Champions. I can select here. Maybe I want to bring a friend to this event. I can select 3 tickets for that event. Just like before, if I click checkout now, I have multiple tickets in one order and it's really easy. So these are 2 different ways of really doing the ticketing. In this case, this might not be the best example because you have just one ticket type for each individual class time. So it is kind of pointless using this mode. If you were going to have one event time with multiple different ticket types, such as a student price, a beauty professional price, or a general admission price, or a guest price, that would make more sense because when you open it up, you have multiple ticket levels inside of it. But in this case, the winner really is the festival view because when you go to get tickets and you look at all the different ticket types, it's just a one-in-one situation. It's one event time with one ticket type, so it's really clean and easy. There's no need to collapse and expand. It's just super easy. Just so you know what it looks like for the class pack view, I'll show you what that looks like. This would not be recommended for the class pack. Basically, if you're going to, let's say, you're going to this microblading workshop, right? And it's every single Friday of 2 months long, and you want people to register for all the classes all at once, that would be really good. But in a case like this, what you'll notice here is it pre-selected every single ticket type with a quantity of 1. Now, for some workshops where you want all of your attendees to go to every single workshop, that would be fine. But in a case like this where people are sort of picking and choosing, they might go to 4 or 5 at most, this would be a bad view because somebody would now have to click each one at a time and set the quantity to 0. And if they forgot one of them, they would be calling your staff and saying, hey, give me a refund on that one class because I didn't want to go. So this particular view would be a bad view. But really, the festival view is your best view for a case like this. All right, well, thanks for watching today this video from SimpleTix on our latest feature related to festival views, class pack views, and the weekly views. Have a great day.